Welcome back. This is a simple guide on how to verify your Facebook account. How to click on the menu box. Once you click on the menu, it takes you here. You click on this place, settings and privacy. Once you're here, settings and privacy, you click on, next thing to do is to click on this place. Click on here, click on settings, click on settings. Once you're there, allow it to load. So the next thing to do is to click on this place, click on account center. Once you're there, you tap and allow it to load, and here you are. You click on, you scroll down and click on information. You click on your information and benefit. Once you're here, you scroll down and click on this place. Click on identity. Click on identity confirmation. Click on identity confirmation. Then here you are. You click on confirm identity. Confirm identity, and click on this and this, and you can continue. Select your country, then make sure you download the Google Authenticate. Go to your browser, go to your Play Store or your Play Store or Apple Store and download Google Authenticator. Let me show you how it is. So here is the logo of the Google Authenticator. That's it. You open it. Once you open it, you click on this plus sign. Click on this plus sign. Then get the setup key. Facebook will give you a setup key. You tap on enter setup key and you enter the name Facebook. Facebook is the name of this particular one that you want to add. Then you enter the key here, and add it. Once you're done, make sure you save that setup key, because setup key is just like your ATM, your PIN, anything so essential that without it you cannot have access to your key again. And once it's misled, you will lose the account and everything. So ensure you save it online and offline. Save it online. Create a private email address where you be save sensitive matters, and also save it on your keynote. Download the color key. I use this particular one. Let me show you. I use this particular one. I use this color notes. Download it and save it there. Save the keynote. Make sure it's linked to your Google account, so that even if something happens to your phone, you can always use your Google to recover it. So that is it. Numbers will be displayed. 6 numbers. You always use it to log in. That is it on Google Authenticator. Next thing is to now verify your identity using your ID. Then to verify using your identity, you click on this. Once you click on this, it's coming. Allow it to load, and here you are. You upload your ID. You enable this button. Make sure you tap on it, because that's what you'll be using to upload your ID and get started. Once you click on next, it takes you here. You can now decide, are you going to use your passport, are you using driver's license or national ID, or show more, any other one you want to make use of, you use it. So let's do national ID. Then you next it. Then get started. Look at what they want you to do. Make sure everything is properly arranged. Find an area that is sunlighting, and then make sure you upload it. Then submit after you are done uploading, and allow it to get verified. Like they say, this will take a few minutes, so allow it. Page. Be able to create your Facebook page. Mine is coming in and it's finished. I think this is done, and you can now create your page with this. So to page, click on this same place. Click on the menu bar there, up there. Click on this menu bar.